Why can't we open the door?
Oh, right. Makima said, it's a gun fiend at our door, I guess?
What? You're talking nonsense!
No, really. Makima said so.
You are such a fool! Top Knot still hasn't come home, remember? He's the one ringing the doorbell. Hey, that's you, right, Aki?
Power, take Meowie and leave from the balcony.
What? Why?
Power!
Come on, Meowie. We're going outside for a walk. From the balcony.
It's just in case. That's all. There's no way some stupid gun guy would bother to come greet me, right? Miss Makima playing a prank. Right, Aki? She's serious? Oh, so this is for real. Gotcha. Well, do we fight?
Denji?